So the Ubuntu philosophy means to me, I am because we are is about collective spirit.
The connectedness that we have with one another through humanity.
And there's a connection for me between the solo person who shares an experience and the community who hear that experience. And there's something that I find with Ubuntu, it's a way that we can be one, but we can also be together.
It's about working together, it's about community.
How we simply need one another to thrive and to flourish and to be.
That's my understanding of Ubuntu. And I think with Ubuntu, there's something about us as solo human beings and our connection with other people making us the we.
The philosophy of Ubuntu in terms of me and my practice is really about collaboration. It's really about working in a really broad way with different people, with different partners, in a really intergenerational way.
People are always sharing stories.
And we've invited people across generations and from different backgrounds, and the idea is to come together and share memories and moments to demonstrate how connected we are.
And what happens when that one person tells their story, another person makes a connection, they relate, they identify with that story, and it becomes our story from the whole group. One person's concern or problem becomes our problem. And I think there's a connection to the Ubuntu around the we and the I, bringing us all together to look at what we are going through as one.
Mindfulness is really at the center of it. I think it's about looking at our individual skill sets, our individual attributes, and how we can work together and collaborate with others. I think also in light of the philosophy, it's what we each individually bring to the table and how we can use that to support and amplify others.
I think it's about really listening to each other and finding ways that we can break bread together so that we can find the humanity amongst us all. And I think that is the foundation. Those are some of the principles that we can come together across difference in order to make a change that we want.